Welcome to Cambridge Institute Naushera. In this video, I would like to teach you kinds of pronouns. Before this video, I have taught pronouns and also their parts of speech in detail. Now, today we are going to discuss the kinds of pronouns. So, pro means, first of all, we should know that what does pronoun mean. Pro means in place, in place, in place. And noun means noun. Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun. In the place of a noun to avoid the repetition of a noun in a group of words. For example, I say that Umar is a teacher. Umar is a teacher here. Now, I want to use a pronoun instead of Umar. Instead of Umar. So Umar is what? Umar is male. And instead of male, we use he. So instead of here, I say that he as a teacher. He is a teacher here. So now, he is what? He is a pronoun which is used instead of Umar. Instead of Umar. So what is basically pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Why we use? To avoid the repetition of a noun. Next, now there are many kinds of pronouns such as emphatic pronoun, personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun. We will discuss all of them according to number. So the first pronoun today we are going to discuss, that is called personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, what is basically personal pronoun? A pronoun used for the three persons. Three person means like first person, second persons and third persons is known as personal pronoun. So personal pronoun is further divided into three parts. The first one is called first person pronoun. What does first person pronoun means? A pronoun used for the person speaking is known as the first persons. For example, in this case, I am speaking. So I am what? I am the first person. And the second one is, that is called we. That is called we. So I use for myself and we is used for ourselves. We is used for ourselves. Let's discuss the example of I and we. That how we can use in a sentence. So now we can use in a sentence that I. So I is called first person while we is called second person. So let's discuss the example of I and we. For example, I say that I am a doctor. I am a doctor here. So now I is what? In this case, in this example, I is what? I is a first person pronoun. And if we talk about another example about I, so we say that I am a student. I am a student here. I am a student here. So I is what? I is the first persons. And a person who is speaking is called the first person pronoun. So I is first person, and the second one is called we. And we is used for what? For ourselves. For example, I say that we are students. We are students. So we is what? We simply means ourselves, and simply we call our. We are what? We are students, and we is followed by plural noun. We is followed by plural nouns. Students, like I say that we are teachers. So we is followed by what? Plural nouns. Next one we have that is called second persons, which is also called second person pronoun. So a pronoun used for the person spoken to. Spoken to means whom you want to talk to. So whom you want to talk to, that is called second person pronoun. For example, we have that is basically called you. Now let's discuss the example in you. So as we know that in you there are two conditions. The first condition is that you can be used for the singular and also you can be used for the plural as well. Let's discuss on whiteboard here. Now for example, if I want to talk about that singular noun, so how can I use it here? Look at here. I say that you are a teacher. You are a teacher here. So in this case, you is considered as a singular pronoun. You is a considered singular pronoun. For example, I say you are a teacher. It means I want to talk to you. So you are what? You are is called the second person. How we can use as a plural? So we can also use as a plural. Like I say you are, if I am talking about more than one teacher, if I want to talk about more than one doctor, more than one driver, etc. So I have to add a s. When I add s, so it will give the meaning of plural. I say you are what? You are doctors here. So now if you make the noun plurals, so we have to use you. So we simply know that you can be followed by singular noun and you can be followed by plural nouns. So we can use you in two ways. One is singular and the second is called plural here. Now if you talk about the third persons, so we have the third person pronoun is a pronoun used for the person spoken of. Spoken of means those whom we are talking about, they are absent. They are absent and we are talking about that. So we call what? We call the third person pronoun. The first one is called he, she, it, and they are called third person pronoun. So now let's discuss one by one all of these. So now if we talk about that he, so he is used for male creature. Male creature means like it may be people or it may be we can say that male animals. For example, I say here, I say that he. So I say that he is a boy. He is a boy. So it simply means that this he refer to what? The boy, and the boy is basically what? That is basically male. That is basically male here. That is basically male here. For example, if I say next example, I say that he is a doctor. So he is a doctor here. He is third person pronoun and it is singular. So he is followed by singular noun. I say he is a boy. So boy is what? Boy is singular. If I want to talk about he is a doctor, so doctor is what? Singular, and doctor is followed by he. And if we talk about the same case, so we have the second that is known as she. That is basically called the she. So she is also followed by singular noun. Like for example, I say that she is a woman. She is a woman. So now this woman, who is this woman? That is belong to here. And also that if I want to talk about another example about she, so I say that she is a doctor. So now again she is followed by what? She is followed by singular noun. She is followed by which one noun? That is basically called doctor. And who is doctor? In this case, she is doctor here. So it may refer to female animals or others. Now if we talk about there two more, we have one is called it and the second one is called they. So let's discuss it and they also. Now if we talk about that they, so they can be referred to things or maybe refer to that people here. First of all, let's discuss that how they refer to things. So the first one, if we talk about they, so it can be refer to more than one things. Like for example, I say that they are chairs. They are chairs. So it simply means that they are used to recognize more than one things. And what is chair? So it is non-living things. It is actually things, but it is more than one. So they can refer to more than one things here. Like for example, I say second one. I say they are pins. So pins is what? It is also called things, and this is followed by they. And if you talk about that, how it's referred to people or things, so we say mostly that they are boys. So boy is what? Boy is referred to females, and it is also plural. So followed by that they refer to plurals, and that is known as boys. And if we talk about the last one, so we have that is basically called it. So it mostly refer refer to things, but sometimes it refer to human beings as well. Like for example, I say it is a book. It is a book. It is a book. So it is a book means that which one is a book? So it is followed by here. Like sometimes I say that it is a chair. It is a chair here. Now sometimes it also refer to human beings. When we ask questions and who, so we mostly answer and it. For example, look at here. I say that who is this? If I ask question and this, so how I will answer it here? So look at, I want to ask a questions. If I say somebody is here and I say who is this? I say that who is this? Who is this? So if you ask question and who, so you may receive answer and it. Like for example, I say who is this? You may say it is Umar. It is Umar here. So sometime that we can receive the answer and it. When you ask question and who, so there is a chance that you may receive answer and it. It is also correct here. So now that is the end of this video.